why it's doing the draining, but sorry, there's last as well. It's gonna drain. It doesn't spin afterwards, but it just do a quick spin and that's it. And then go on the first rinse. Now it's gonna spin. It's just a short spin and that's it. It's gonna go on first fish now. There we go. And now we're going on first rinse. It's gonna be the high water level, but I don't know if it's gonna be that. So we're on first fish now, because well, just to say, the sense is there, but it's just gonna do that. Now we're tumbling and it's like should be that's right. So it's gonna go over there, but it's going, yeah, so it's gonna go what a lovely set. Wow, I've never seen that before. It should be cold or something. Yeah, but why? Because did a high water level, that's what we did. Now stop feeling, feeling of him. Thank you for watching. Please comment and subscribe. And it's gonna go on second spin now, and it's gonna go out for so I'll stop it. I'll see you in the second spin and drain.